Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to check in as we head into the weekend. So the weekend is going to be a time for a lot of us where we'll have more time with our thoughts, staff here included. It's a time where it may well be more difficult to self-isolate, where our thoughts might escalate a bit. And so for today, I'm going to cover two techniques that are really looking at challenging your thoughts. Simple, simple, simple again. So the first is called It Will Pass, okay? So I'd like you to look at the tunnel picture, because what I'm going to describe, these emotions that you have, is a little bit like being in a tunnel, okay? So I hate driving through tunnels. I've always hated driving through tunnels. Went on holiday in a mountainous region, long tunnels under the mountain, really difficult. So difficult emotions are like getting through a tunnel. You head into the tunnel, you're apprehensive, you're frightened, but you know you need to get to the other side. It's about midway through the tunnel when you feel really panicky. And you've got two options. You can either stop, but you're stuck in the tunnel. It's dark. You're about midway, so either way, even if you could turn around and go back, you've got quite a bit of tunnel to get through. Or you keep going, you keep heading. And you hold the emotion, you just sit with the emotion and keep going and keep going and keep going. And then it is a bit cliche, but you come out into the light and you find, hey, the world's still there. Well, I think that's a bit like this right now. It will pass, this will pass, and our world will be there. So when you're feeling dark, again, think of the tunnel and just get through the tunnel. And the other one is something called fact or opinion. So this is challenging our thoughts. So fact or opinion here, okay? We actually think 90% in opinion. We think it's factual, but it's not, okay? Right now, I think 99% of the way we're thinking about this current situation will be opinion, because we don't know many of the facts. We know a little bit of fact about the symptoms. We know that this is catastrophic in lots of ways, that there's going to be people that die, but the rest is still guesswork a little bit. So when your thoughts start really escalating, I want you to imagine putting them on trial, okay? Imagine a court case. So you put your thoughts on trial and you ask yourself just some simple questions. Is this factual? So again, looking at the poster, is there evidence to support this? Real evidence to support this thought? Is it undisputed evidence? And is it from a rational place? Or is it an opinion? Is it more a personal view, somebody else's view? Is it based on knowledge, experience, culture? And is it driven by the heart, not the head? So put your thoughts on trial. You can get quite imaginative about it. Somewhere in my room I actually have a court case scenario that people can use where they put their thoughts on trial and we decide whether or not they're fact or opinion. So lastly, stay safe, stay well,